Are you dreaming of earning money by creating captivating children's storybooks, but feeling discouraged because you struggle with writing stories or drawing illustrations? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I have an incredible solution for you. I'm going to reveal a simple yet powerful method that can help you earn thousands of dollars every month by selling children's storybooks that look just like these. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional writer or artist to make it happen. So stay tuned as I unveil the secrets and step-by-step process behind this amazing opportunity. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to start creating and selling your own children's storybooks using AI tools that will blow your mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to show your support. First, we will use ChatGPT to create the story for us. It is a free AI tool that can write anything you want for you. I will ask it to write a children's storybook that consists of 15 chapters and that can be turned into a large print storybook for kids. I will wait for a few minutes till it ends generating each chapter of the story. Upon completion, I will request from ChatGPT detailed descriptions of the illustrations that will accompany each chapter. These descriptions will play a crucial role in visualizing the narrative. Now I will wait again till it ends, providing the image description for each chapter of my story. Amazing! Now let's move to the next step. I will now copy the description of the first image that ChatGPT produced, then go to Midjourney AI text-to-image bot and type the prompt first, /imagine. Then I will paste the description I copied from ChatGPT for the first chapter. I will give Midjourney some time now to produce the image. I will head to Canva and create a new custom design, then choose to input the measurements in inches and type 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Now I created the first blank page in my storybook. Let's head back to Midjourney to examine the images it created. You can roll the prompt you typed several times and examine the results you get, till you find an image that describes exactly the narrative of the story chapter. I like this one, but I would like to see more variations of it, so I will click on the corresponding variations button to see different variations from it. Midjourney provided me with these 4 amazing images, and I think I like this one the most, so I will save it to my computer. Now, I will head to Canva and upload the image I saved, then drag it at the corner to fit inside the page frame like this. You can adjust the image by double-clicking on it and moving it around to the position you like. This is perfect. Now, I will head back to ChatGPT and copy the narrative of the first chapter, then return to Canva and choose the typing tool, then paste the text I just copied. I will keep playing around with the size and font of the text till I create the first appealing page of my storybook. And there you have it, an amazing story page in just minutes, which is colorful, beautiful, and engaging. Now let's proceed with the creation of the second chapter for our storybook. Before we commence, I would like to share a simple trick to ensure consistent characters for the images on Midjourney. First, click on the images from the first chapter, then select Open in Browser. From there, copy the image link, return to Midjourney and type /imagine, followed by pasting the copied link. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image description for the second chapter. Press enter and patiently await the results. By copying the link and repeating the characters' names, we provide the Midjourney bot with a clearer understanding of their appearance, resulting in more consistent images. I will continue this process until I find the perfect image for the second chapter. Now, I will navigate to ChatGPT and copy the narrative for the second chapter. In Canva, I will upload the image for the second chapter and adjust its placement in the corner accordingly. Next, I will duplicate the text box using the duplicate icon to maintain the text style, size, and font, and then paste the narrative. I will position the text box in the middle of the page Voila! Now we have an amazing storybook consisting of 2 chapters. Due to time constraints, I won't be able to complete all 15 chapters in this video. However, I trust that you now understand the simple steps required, which can be accomplished in just a few minutes. Once all the pages are completed, it's time to create an amazing cover page for your storybook. If you wish to learn how to create a captivating cover resembling those shown, please click on the link above this video or in the description box to watch a step-by-step tutorial on designing a remarkable cover for your books. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Keep building your wealth, hustlers.